Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable AirDrop notifications on your Chromebook, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage notification settings. Step 1. Note that AirDrop is an Apple feature and is not available on Chromebook. However, Chromebook has a similar feature called Nearby Share. Step 2. To disable notifications from Nearby Share, click on the system tray in the bottom right corner of your Chromebook screen. Step 3. Click on the gear icon to open Chromebook settings. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click on Connected Devices. Step 5. Select Nearby Share to access sharing settings. Step 6. Toggle off the Nearby Share feature to completely disable file sharing and related notifications. Step 7. Alternatively, if you want to keep Nearby Share enabled but reduce notifications, go back to Settings and select Notifications. Step 8. Scroll through the list of apps and find any app related to file sharing or Nearby Share. Step 9. Toggle off notifications for those apps to stop receiving alerts. Step 10. Close settings and verify that you no longer receive unwanted notifications related to file sharing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.